Hey everybody, good morning. What's happening? Best DJ in town. Good morning. Mary, good morning. Good to see you. Hey everybody. Well, last day of the week. So let's make it count. All right. How you guys are doing? Hope everybody's doing great. Let's see what is happening. I already marked up some levels here. So, all right. How's everybody? Robert, hey, good morning. And 6 billion pence, sorry. You're currently in short on ES. Let's check on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, that's actually not a bad idea. You just taking out a 5-minute gap. Could be going down furthermore. On the 1 hour, it actually swept the liquidity up here. We have more levels, but you know, who knows? Maybe it's going to just go down to internal liquidity, take this out once again. I mean, looks good. Looks good. All right. Let's see what is going on. Let me put this fair value gap indicator back in place. Zach T, good morning. How are you? How's everybody? All right. So the thing we have here is there was an Asia low that has been taken out not too recently by the market. So it seems like, oh, looks like the ES is going down. Good move, good move. Gabriel, not to be confused with tomsabo guarantee. Oh yeah, definitely. But as I always say, 50% of the time, every time. Juan from California, hey. Juan, welcome to the stream. How you doing, Juan? All right. All right. We have the midnight level here still. Let's see what levels do we have. I don't really want to go higher than the 1 hour because obviously we are looking at the lower time frames. I have some buy side liquidity marked up on the 1 hour here, almost relative equal highs, 761.50, and the next is also 761. So I like these wicks up there. Who knows if it wants to go up there, but we did sweep liquidity with this move on the 1 hour. Question remains, is it going to be somewhat of a bullish flag thing like this, and you know, might try to go higher? You know, it's Friday and anything can happen. So if this is the scenario, we might be taking out that 759 level and go even higher. There is a not too perfect bearish order block up there, even at the 666, 670-ish levels. Although that's above 9,000, so I don't know if it will do that kind of rally. But anyway, we have fair value gap up there. And this is the 1 hour still. Let me put this right there. Yeah, so those levels could be good, but you know, let's just go back to the low time frames. Yeah, I think I have something. Maybe I got the flu or something. I don't know. I'm a little bit tired. I'm sneezing since yesterday evening, and yeah, That could be an issue. My voice is different. Now I have the Batman voice, like, because I'm Batman. No, I'm not. But yeah, there's something going on. Something going on. Or it's from just yelling. They have to talk over the lawn. Yeah, I was definitely I was yelling with the lawnmower guy. Maybe a little bit of coffee will help. So, or this is just my Batman voice, you know. Good morning, Pablo. I'm going to wait to 3 a.m. London. Okay, open. Yeah, I think it's the wisest choice, by the way, Pablo, to wait until the open. Obviously. Let's see. This is a funded account. What do we have? This was the account from yesterday. Managed to push it up to 1,753. Yelling at the lawnmower man. That was just an inside joke, Mary. My neighbor is actually a cool guy. But my neighbor, I mean, next to my window is my neighbor's garden. It's a very small garden, and he's mowing the grass. I mean, he's cutting the grass or lawn mowing like at least 3 times a week. I'm not joking. Not joking. Absolutely not joking. This is absolutely super serious and real. I don't know him closely. I just know that he's there, and that I say hi to him, and that's it. He's cutting the grass. No joke. Absolutely, I'm being the most honest I can be with you. 3 times a week. 3 times. No, he's a young guy. He's a young fellow. He's a young guy. He's absolutely young, and he cuts it 3 times a week. Absolutely, I'm not joking, guys. It's reality. So I don't know what he's gonna do on the winter. I think he's gonna go crazy. I don't know. He's cutting it 3 times. He has like 3 or 4 different lawnmowers. He also has above those the hedge trimmers. He has everything, and he's doing it 3 times a week. If he does it for 2 times, or maybe I mean, I have to ask if everything's all right, because average 3 times a week. One at the weekend. Sometimes he does it 3 times from Monday to Friday. I don't know. I'm super serious, guys. I'm not even joking. Absolutely serious. Hey, Ashes, what's going on? Good morning, Farhad. Yeah, so I should help. Maybe I should help him, but the garden looks perfect. Trust me, that grass is not gonna go not even a centimeter. Not even a centimeter or 5 millimeters. That grass is just gonna stay like that. Good morning, Jung. What's going on? What is going on? Still holding a short. All right. Let's go. Be careful. Let's see if it holds. Yeah. One thing I'm considering here, because I have some levels up there, is might to go long if I would have a nice displacement. I don't think I'm gonna have that kind of displacement, but yeah, it's not happening. But you know, who knows? Anyway, yeah, the shorts could be playing out. I'm not saying they won't. There are some good targets. I don't see anything for now. The 1 minute looks like unplugged. Yeah, going lower. Yes, also slowly maybe looking for a dump. So I think if price close above the 5-minute bearish fair value gap, could reach Asia high. Yeah, could be. So my Asia high level is at 617-ish area that I like. 617. And by the way, guys, because of the courtesy of Reza Banks, I don't know if he's here or not. We're gonna do one more giveaway today. One more giveaway. He was sponsoring yesterday with more than $150 or something like that for the stream, and I promised him that we'll do one yesterday and one today. So I'm gonna be giving away $50 cash prize soon. Let's just wait for some people to pour into the London Open, just saying. So actually I can start it now for everybody to have a ticket. All right, but if I start you know, opening the tickets, we're still going to pick the winner after the London Open, so that's another 50 minutes or something. 55. You guys are okay with it? You know, Camille, oh my god, Camille, I was missing you. What is happening? Daniel, hey there, and Prasad is here. World of Tanks live play. Hi. Can I change my leverage on MyFundedFutures? If you mean by, you know, going with micros, you can just choose the micro charts, you know, the micro NASDAQ or ES or whatever. Just go with micros if that's what you're saying. Or if you're talking about the scaling issue, there's a scaling plan, but maybe not on the evaluations, I think, only on the funded. So what indicator you use to mark those levels? These levels, I put it here manually. I draw the line manually for midnight here, and these levels, everything I put here is manual. The only thing that is not manual is the fair value gap indicator, which sometimes I turn on, I turn off. This is the Lux Algo fair value gap is the one I'm using. Otherwise, I do everything manually. I'm a dinosaur, you know, I'm a dinosaur. So that's the only thing I sometimes put on. The other day, I don't know who was it. Someone showed me the Fluid Trades SMC light indicator, which I'm going to show you in a second. If I put it on, it puts in basically supply and demand zones. I do like it. I like this indicator. Shows some significant levels, which I like. I do like these levels, but I do have to study it a little bit more. So for now, I'm going to turn it off. Oh, the fair value gap indicator is good. It's very useful. Good morning, Isham. Good morning, Marco. And Camille, again, good to see you. Everything's fine. Daniel, I forgot to say. Hello, Daniel. Good to see you again. Who did I miss? I know I missed someone, but sorry about that. Good to see you guys. So, you want small leverage. Okay, so just go with micros. World of Tanks, choose micros. So I'm not sure which platform are you using. ERP Media, good morning. The Mad Scalper is here. I'm not sure which platform are you using, World of Tanks. Are you using Quantower, Tradeaway, Ninja Trader? Are you on TopStep X maybe? I'm not sure. Let me know. But anyway, the one thing you should do, if you choose your chart, just make sure you choose MNQ. For example, on Quantower, you have to choose MNQ because that's the micro NASDAQ. And go with micros. You can choose the MNQ exclamation mark, which is the front month, always the newest one. Or you can manually choose the MNQ U4. Go with the micro, and that's going to give you smaller leverage. I mean, smaller size. You could take small positions is the goal, of course. Don't go with the mini. So do not choose the NQ if you want to size down. Don't use the MNQ. That's what you have to look for. All right. Trader weight. Okay, at trader weight, congratulations, World of Tanks. Congratulations, nice job. Peter, good morning. Good to see you, Peter. Very good. So on trader weight, you still have to type in when you add your chart. Just type in MNQ. That's the one you have to type in, MNQ, and trader weight is going to give you automatically. It's going to put you on. Maybe it's going to put you on to MNQU. It's the newest contract. It's the September contract. So MNQ. All right, go with MNQ. You're welcome. I like the name World of Tanks Live Play. You play World of Tanks? I have a friend who's playing World of Tanks. I like video games, by the way. He told me I should join as well. By the way, I might have a possible long opportunity here. I don't know if I should. What is happening? I jumped in with 2 micros a little bit late. I might add to it once more. Only on evaluation for now. Let me show you. Oh wow. MNQ. I think this is it. All right. 1 minute. Now my entry was based on this very tiny fair value gap here, and because I'm still bullish, we're gonna start the giveaway in a minute, sorry, and by the courtesy of Reza Banks, we're gonna give away another $50. So thank you again for Reza. All right, I'm gonna put my TP at there. This is only an evaluation account, but nevertheless, the target that I'm looking for is still up there. Okay, this could have been my optimal entry. And I entered right at the top. Okay, I'm almost taken out from the position here. Almost taken out from the position. Just like yesterday. Everything checks out just like yesterday. All right, let me check it. Don't do this at home. Maybe I should not have used a tight stop like this. Reza is here. I was just talking about you. We're gonna do one more giveaway, guys. Reza was the sponsor yesterday, and he had enough. I mean, he gave so much. We're gonna do one more. We are dropping. We could be dropping. Yeah. My stop is a little bit tight, to be honest. I have a tight stop. Sam H, hey there, welcome. Good to see you. Bro, why would you go get? No, I didn't want it to. I just wanted to check and see if we can take out those bearish order blocks to the left. I just like these levels, and I do like some targets on the upside. So I thought that, okay, this one might just want to shoot higher. I'm risking about $80 or something. So, and it's on evaluation. So I'm not scared about that. But yeah. What's Reza's bias? I don't know. He got a huge payout from MyFundedFutures. By the way, let me start the giveaway. This is by the sponsorship of Reza. So he is sponsoring today's giveaway again. I'm gonna get I'm taking out from this trade. Damn it, not a good way to start the stream, right? Let me go to giveaways. Guys, the thing I'm gonna do here is PayPal or some. Well, PayPal would be the best. Maybe international bank wire or debit card transfer. I don't do crypto, but it would be great if you guys would have PayPal. If not, maybe some other cash app, and I will ask for the help of Methodical Man. Maybe he can help me transfer this. All right. $50 cash giveaway from Reza starts now, but we're gonna wait for quite a long time. So exclamation mark cash is the way to enter the giveaway. So we are going to pick the winner at the London Open. So to enter, just exclamation mark cash. That's what you have to do. Slim Trady, welcome. Yeah, we could be dropping. I think my stop was a little bit tight. My stop was a little bit tight here. Maybe should have waited. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Should have waited a little bit more, but it's fine. It's fine. There was a small fair value gap and a structure shift that I really liked. So Mr. Lunari, good to see you. Everything's fine. So guys, just saying, I don't know how much time you have, but the giveaway, we're gonna pick the winner just so we have more people on the stream somewhere around the London Open. So there's a lot of time, a lot of time, because many people are coming in before the London Open. So I just started out. Everybody gets one ticket. Daniel, we're gonna do a $50 cash giveaway. If you just type exclamation mark cash, we're gonna pick one winner, and I'm gonna wire you $50. You don't have to buy evaluation accounts from that. You can do whatever you want with that. It's a cash prize. You can do anything you want. But I can only, it would be best on PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, it's fine. I can do bank wire. Or if you have maybe Venmo or Zelle, or I don't even know what other stuff is in the US, I can ask Methodical Man to help me out, and I will cover the transfer fees. And it's not because of me, it's because of Reza Banks, who is here in the chat. He was kind enough to sponsor the stream yesterday with a lot of money, and by the courtesy of him, we're doing the giveaway. So but we're gonna pick the winner around the London Open, so we have a lot of time. All right, everybody gets only one ticket. Almost, Donovan, almost. I secured 5th green day. Oh, sorry, I didn't read that. Sorry, I secured 5th green day and another payout with MyFundedFutures. Look at this. This guy is killing it. $3,600 total in 5 days. And done trading for the week. Guys, Reza is killing it. Congratulations, man. I don't know how you do it. Well, this guy is milking MyFundedFutures. Can you show me, please, how you calculate your order trading view? Then you take a sure. So I also have a video about it, but I'm going to show you now. World of Tanks. There's somewhere a video back in February or March, but I'm going to show you now. It's super simple. Super simple. So, for example, let me get this straight. On TradingView, you have this tool which is called. This is how it looks like. It's called long position. Can I zoom this out? Yes, I can. So this is how it looks like. It's called long position, or it's called short position. You will find it on your on the left side or whatever. You should be finding this. All right. So I take this tool. I put this. For example, I want to go long here, right? my stop loss, I want my stop loss to be, let's give it a little bit more space here. You double click on it and you can set your risk. For example, you want to risk $100. Now this is not accurate. We are on the mini NASDAQ, but I can show it to you on the micro. So this is the micro NASDAQ. I want to go long. My stop loss, I want it to be here. I double click on it. I click that I want to have like $150 risk on this trade. Okay. I want my risk to reward ratio to be somewhere up there. And this tool, I think it's such an easy tool and everybody is overlooking it. Look at here. If you click on it, you will see risk to reward ratio almost like 1.97. But up there it says quantity 4.4. And that's what interests you. This means that you should enter the trade. Obviously now it's moved. Now you should enter the trade with 5 micros. If you enter the trade with 5 micros, now it's not going to be 100% accurate, but it's going to be like 95% accurate. 5 micros, and you put your stop here, you should not be losing more than $150. When it gives you like not to round, like you cannot enter with 4.7 micros, obviously, so you have to make your decision to enter 5 or 4 micros. But this tool is very, very helpful to calculate your risk. I mean, everybody overlooks this tool, but you don't have to make your calculations like, oh my God, how much micro is that? You just put this tool, 2 seconds, you're gonna know how much you want to risk on a trade. So by default, you can have everything there. I put it to 100, but this is how it works. Let's see. Let me read the chat. Okay. Reza Banks is similar. Yeah, he said he was one of his students. So, small world, right? Steve, my strategy is basically my entry model, my core entry model is the YouTube 2022 model from ICT. But I do go for the order blocks. I go for order blocks. I go for, institutional order flow, entry drill. I like that. I like the concept. I like the market maker buy sell models. Those are concepts you have to go through on ICT's channel. I do like those. And I put this all together. Hey there, Fabe. Intman Daily, hey. What's up? GF. Okay. I'm sorry if I missed out anyone. Feel free to post again in the chat because you're welcome, World of Thanks. So guys, we're gonna wait a while for the giveaway, at least around the market open, so we have more people, because I know many other people come in just before the London session. But from the sponsorship of Reza Banks, we're gonna do this. So he's the man of the day again. Again. He's the one, as Morpheus would say. He's the one. Okay. I made a stupid trade. Nah, it wasn't stupid. I mean, I had my plan, so I'm not regretting it. I thought that this small fair value gap here is going to skyrocket. I mean, look at that. I thought it's going to skyrocket price to take out, let me put this away, to take out this area. That is what I was aiming for. I'm still eager to enter once more. Actually, I might do. Oh man, look at this. I'm just chasing it now. My entry is actually not that bad. I mean, all right, another 80 bucks. Of course, I entered at the highest of the anyway. And the TP should be up at the 50s. My God, what am I doing? Should have known that this is going to reprice, but still. Should have known. I re-entered for a second chance to the trade. So I'm in the trade again. Same thing, almost the same entry. I don't know why. Look at, I just caught the top of the wick to enter. Because somehow I'm attached to this level. I don't know why. But this is the second chance for the trade to play out. And I might even add more to scalp the end of the trade to maybe get some of the losses back. Parminder, hey, welcome. Tell me how to join the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. Exclamation mark. Put the exclamation mark there. Parminder. I got a 50k account. What do you recommend to trade? Minis, micros. If you're, especially if you're new, Steve, go with micros, please, for your own safety. By the way, sorry if I miss out anyone who said hi or something, but so go with micros, Steve, especially if you're kind of new in this. Definitely don't go with minis. You should be safer. You should be safer. Yeah, Parminder, just type in, yeah, there you go, exclamation mark cash. All right, you got it. You received one ticket. There you go. We have 33 participants. I'm gonna put it here so you guys will see it. We have 33 people. So that means almost half of the people from the chat didn't even enter the giveaway. All right. Which comes from the sponsorship of Reza Banks. Jimmy Tix, hey there, Robert, and everybody. Give me some. Joey, hey there. Bridget, hey. Sam, good to see you. All right. The lurkers are coming in from the background. The lurkers are coming in. I'm in a long position. Sorry, guys. I'm in a long position. The account you see up there, it's an evaluation account with Apex. I already made a $70-something loss, maybe an $80 loss with the same trade. I got taken out with maybe 1 point down here, but I still believe that this one should go higher to these levels. So my final TP would be up at 48. Yeah, 48. And I might even add more to it. Obviously, you guys know me. I trade with micros. So I didn't take this on the funded account. Also, you guys know that I don't trade funded accounts on Friday. Very, very rare occasions. If I see a super A+ setup, this is not an A+ setup. It's far from it. This is very, very far from an A+ setup. So if I see a super A+ setup in the New York session on Friday, when there is enough volume, I might take a trade on the funded accounts. But otherwise, I'm not touching my funded accounts on a Friday. No. And even if I do, I just trade on one funded account. I do not copy trade anyway, because it's a thing I have. I don't know. I don't trade the funded accounts on on Friday. I work on my evaluation accounts. I have a few to work on. Yesterday I passed another Bulenox account. This is the one. And I already have like 6 Bulenox master accounts. Let's see. Where is this? Okay, so this is it. But I don't need that much right now. Let's see. Entered by mistake 5 contracts minus 250 with minis. Did you enter with minis? Closer above 518 is better idea for buys. Yeah, till that it's a little 50-50. That's true, Reza. You know, 50% of the time, every time. It works 50% of the time, every time. Oh, same happened for me yesterday, Joey. I entered with mini instead of micros and instantly lost. I don't even know. Although it was only one mini, but of course I entered with one mini. The time I looked back to the screen, it was already instantly down like 60 or 70 bucks. Like, what the hell? I need to pay more attention of how many tabs I keep open, because I tend to mess around on the NQ charts, and I have these tabs open with the buy sell buttons all over the place on my other screen, and I don't look at it closely, and I just push the button and I realize, oh my god, I just pushed the mini, not the micro. So I have to double check now every time. Am I on a micro chart? Am I on a micro chart? So gotta make sure. So if anybody just new on the stream, we have a cash giveaway, exclamation mark cash, but you have to subscribe to the channel to enter, because it's subscribe only mode. But anyway, that's a simple thing. Exclamation mark cash to participate in the giveaway, right? So what do you input an account size on that long indicator? Okay, so I'm going to show you. For example, you're on the micro. You don't have to put anything. I mean, sorry, 50K. Yeah, sorry. I mean, okay, I misunderstood the question. 50K account. But it doesn't really matter, you know, because as long as you type in your risk, it only matters because of the percentage change in the position. But as long as I could type in like $2 million, whatever. So I type in $100, it says 1.6 micros. If I type in a 200K account, it still says 1.6. So it doesn't changing the fact, you know, because I like the 50Ks, I just have it on 50K. But you can type anything. It's irrelevant, basically. It's irrelevant. But anyway, it doesn't bother. All right. Let's see what it does. This is the 1 minute chart. Still. Yes, spiked up also a little bit, not too much. So, unfortunately, I started the day with the loss already. So, this is just damage control right now. What I'm doing again. This is how my London sessions start. I'm doing damage control, and you know. Yeah, it was a nice little pump there. So we're gonna do the winner pick, just saying at around the London Open. Okay. Thank you, Malo. Welcome to the stream. 377 times 3. Let's go, everybody. That is awesome, Malo. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is awesome. Pay the trader, welcome. DL Zazinga. Guys, I'm happy to see you. How you guys are doing today? Repricing this level and added one more. Added one more. My TP is still going to be 48. My stop is still going to be that. Okay, added to the winner. So I added one more to the winner. Averaged out my position. My TP is still going to be at the 50s. If I lose, I'm going to lose around 90 or 100 bucks, something like that. I think $100 in profit. But at least I added to the winner. If this is going to be a winner, but I tighten up my stop. Because obviously if it goes down below that level, it just wants to go lower, I think. I usually don't like to add, but I told you guys I go crazy on evaluation accounts. So you're welcome. Take Profit Trader did indeed send me 130 for the fee. Oh, so yeah, 100. Did you get the Take Profit Trader before? I mean, at the no fee promo? Because if you get that at the no fee promo, you should have just you know, ask for support to correct that. Because if you applied, Malo, if you applied at the no free promo, you should be getting it without an activation fee. So I don't know when did you apply for the Take Profit Trader account, but anyway, congratulations for it. But just saying. NQ looking bearish on 1 hour. Oh yeah, I saw that. I was just looking for a small retest of those levels. Correct, no activation. Oh, okay, sorry. Oh yeah, they added to your credit, right? They used to do that. Anyway, the thing is you got it. Okay. But if they didn't just ask them, they're gonna give you credit, and you can withdraw or buy accounts with it. I know there was someone who got the account at the no fee promo, and he got billed for the $130, and they corrected him by putting credit to the wallet, and he could pay with the credit for the activation. They will pay you back. Yeah, they will pay you back. There you go. There you go. Good morning, DL Zazinga. It happens, you know. It's a correction, but they are 100% are going to pay you back. Yeah. So anyone is new on the stream right now, we're doing a cash giveaway by the courtesy of Reza Banks, who is a very nice gentleman, nice viewer from the chat. Sponsored the stream yesterday, quite a lot of money, and we're giving away that. So it all comes from his pocket. Right now we have 46 participants in the giveaway. We're gonna do it around the London Open. All right, so everybody have time to enter. Don't worry guys, 47 people now, because I know many of you guys are coming in at the London Open usually. What is the reason behind this trade? The reason was starting with the small fair value gap, I mean, some liquidity sweep. I saw these not too perfect bearish order blocks up there, and if I look to the 5-minute, I thought that, you know, we were in discount and we swept some liquidity, and I thought that this could be a correction at least back to the midnight level. And I also have some nice targets on the upside. We have Asia high as well, still intact. And I was waiting for a sign to jump in somewhere after 2 a.m. as the kill zone started. So there was a sign. It took me out first. So I got taken out with 1 point. And then on this second leg, I jumped in again. So this is the second, how should I say, second try. I don't know. But I'm looking for that area up there. There's nothing particular special about that area, but I like this. This is kind of a demand level. Like if you guys trade supply and demand, this would be kind of like a demand level. But I just took the trade. You know, like Maverick would say in Top Gun, "Don't think, just do." You know. Unfortunately, I do that too much. It's not so good. All right, I'm putting it to break even. And if it takes me out, it takes me out. 16, 17. Okay, I'm giving it a little bit extra. Okay, so this is at break even. At least I'm not going to lose this one. Sorry, let me read the chat. Do the process as you want to pay the activation, then you reach the payment, choose the credit. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, exactly, choose the credit and you will pay with credit. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is still awesome. So the oil is what your analysis. Oh, hold on a second, I have to check on oil. Just a minute. Andrew, how do we enter? Just type exclamation mark cash, Andrew. Exclamation mark cash. You just type it in the chat and you're going to receive a ticket. And the winner is, I mean, it's going to be a cash prize. You do whatever you want with the money. You don't have to buy a valuation account, whatever. But I would be super happy if you guys would be having PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, I can do bank wire transfer or debit card transfer, not credit, debit card transfer, because I can put money instantly on your debit card. But if none of those work out, and if you have some other cash app like Venmo, Zelle, or whatever, then just give me some time, because we might figure it out in the New York session. So not now, but later, I might ask for the help of Methodical Man. And I'm going to cover his fees and everything, and he might be able to send it to you from his account if he is gentleman and helps me out, and I'm just going to wire the money to him on PayPal. So these are the solutions that I can do. All right. Where do you find the wallet? You find the wallet on your profile on the upper right corner. You just click on your profile and there should be a sign that says wallet, and there should it be. I'm gonna secure a little bit here, and there's the wallet. The winner is Andrew. Got it. All right, so in your wallet there should be some credit, I mean, which is technically dollar credit. By the way, guys, just to let you know, I might not be here on Monday, London session. I mean, I'll be here, but I'll be on vacation. It's settling right now, because we're going to a nice hotel here in my country just for the weekend. And we might go into, oh, look at this. I just got the TP. Nice. All right. All right, this was a good one. This was a good one. Nice TP. Just passed another MyFundedFutures account. Steve. Guys, to everybody who made profit, and especially for Steve now, let's give an applause. Alright, you guys are awesome. Okay, this trade got to TP. Got back my losses and made some extra. Guys, you can make profit with micros, trust me. But I know many people. I know you can make a lot more with minis. I obviously know. I know. And I do trade with minis sometimes. So what I meant to say is I might be staying for a vacation on Monday and Tuesday. We still have to do the accommodation with the hotel. If they give us a good price to stay until Monday or Tuesday, we might gonna stay until Monday or Tuesday, which means I might not be able to do the regular stream on Monday and or Tuesday. But I'm gonna be taking my supersonic laptop with me, and I might do a stream from a short stream from my laptop because I'm addicted. You know? A short stream from my laptop, so we might do that. Yeah, so yeah, that's true, Reza. So the markets are like so volatile this week. It's better to go with micros anyway. Oh no, thank you, Steam. Thank you. How do I get the money? Because I have received the ticket. Okay, so favor, if you win, I can transfer with PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, that would be awesome. If you don't have a PayPal, we can do international bank wire transfer. But if you do that, I would require you to send me your exact name on the account, exact account holder name, and I need your address too. So I need city, street name, and zip code, and of course country, obviously. But I need all those things to be able to put it out to international bank wire. Or I can do debit card transfer, and I would need your debit card number. I don't need your codes and expiration and stuff like that. I don't need that. But there's a thing which called debit card transfer. I can do that from my application, and it's instant. I covered the fees. And the other solution is maybe if I ask for the help of Methodical Man, who I don't have Venmo and Zelle, but I think he has some kind of things like that. If you have those, maybe I can ask for his help. If he doesn't really mind, I cover his fees and he might be able to transfer it to you. These are the things. I'm not doing crypto because if I want to send 50 bucks with crypto, it's going to cost me an extra $50. By the time I convert it, I send it and everything, the least it's going to cost is 30 bucks. And I'd rather give away another 30 bucks to somebody just to pay it out to crypto conversion and stuff like that. It's just why throw out the money on the window for conversion fees? So a personal switch. Okay. When will you? Oh yeah, the winner is gonna be picked in 5 minutes. All right, in 5 minutes we're gonna pick the winner. Sorry, I know everybody has a schedule, so in 5 minutes, Andrew, we're gonna pick the winner. But you're rich, Tom. That's true, but that's a secret. No. So I send you my account here. No. No, not here. If you win, I'm gonna type my email address in the chat, and please send me a screenshot of your screen where I can see your YouTube name. You know, for example, you can do like, you scroll down your own channel and I will see your name up in the right corner. I know it can be hacked, it can be changed super easy, I know. Or if you make a screenshot from the chat where I can see from your end your name, and that's, so you send me the email and you send me the details. All right, that's how we do it. If you win, I hope everybody everybody gets one ticket. So we're gonna pick the winner in about less than 4 minutes. All right, less than 4 minutes. Just before the London Open. But I would be super glad if any one of you guys wins, if you guys would have PayPal. That is the most fastest and simplest way for me. That would be great. If you don't have PayPal, it's fine. We're gonna sort it out anyway. What do you do with ticket? No, you don't do anything. We're doing this with the help of Streamlabs. So currently we have 60 participants. As you see the names here, everybody has one. Basically a ticket is an entry. You have one entry by your name. Everybody has one entry. And you do nothing with the ticket. We're gonna click the pick winner button on the right side here. The pick winner. It's turned off because the entries are still open. And Streamlabs is going to pick a name here on the stream. It's random, so I'm not choosing the name. Streamlabs is going to pick a winner from the 61 participants. And that's it. That's all. So I have 2 funded accounts with MyFundedFutures, and I'm always trying to get losses back. What is a good losing target without hitting the daily loss, and what's good profit? So with the 50K MyFundedFutures accounts, I would say on a funded account, obviously you don't really need to wait for your daily loss level. That's a soft breach, by the way, so that's a good thing. That's $1,200 your soft breach, the daily loss limit level. If I were you, I would stop at $500 or $600 loss on one particular funded account. Obviously don't copy trade them, okay? If you go down to $500 or $600, just stop. If you trade with micros, now what I do is I trade micros on the funded accounts. If I go down negative $600, obviously I did some stupid things, because I'm risking about $100, $150 usual on trade on funded. So if I'm down negative 600, I know already that I did stupid. I was an idiot and I messed things up. It's best to leave the account, that particular account. If you still feel the urge to continue to trade, then you can do 2 things. Move to an evaluation account or to a different funded account. But I would say don't trade a different funded account because you're still tilted or in a negative mood. If you still feel the urge that you need to trade after that loss, move to an evaluation account. You can move to a demo too, but if you still want some skin in the game, move to an evaluation account, okay? If you really want to trade, but just maybe don't touch the funded account if you're down to your mental stop loss level on another account. This way you have a higher chance to preserve your funded accounts. Although I'm going to tell you a very short story that happened to me. I blown a funded account. It wasn't now, it was months ago. I blown a funded account because I was on tilt. I moved to the next funded account because I was on super tilt, and I blown the second funded account in the next 30 minutes after I blown the first one because I was on full tilt. I said in myself, like, F you market, I'm gonna show you that I can make it back. No, I blown 2 funded accounts in like 40 minutes. Boom. That's how it went. So trust me in this, I'm speaking from experience. If you lose, you're in a drawdown on a funded account, even if you feel the urge, if it sits on your shoulder, the gambler, to push the button, move to an evaluation account. Better to move to a demo just to blow off some steam or whatever, but at least don't touch any other funded account. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I'm repeating myself. I know it's a bad habit. Mamba Fox, hey there. Didn't say hi. Komodo Dragon, welcome. I'm sorry if I didn't say hi to every one of you because the exclamation mark cash thing is going up and down. Let's go, High Mountain Trader. I don't recommend copy trading with MyFundedFutures. I mean, not particularly with MyFundedFutures. if you have like 8 or 10 funded accounts, you can I would say copy trade 2 funded accounts or 3. But you don't need to copy trade, especially if you're kind of new. You don't need to copy trade more. Guys, we have to do the giveaway because everybody's waiting, but I'm going to be talking about this. I blew and reset 10 accounts one night. Oh, that happens. Mamba Fox, hey, not bad, happy to repeat. Yeah. All right, let's do the giveaway. I'm going to be closing the entry. J-Ho, nice to see you, man. All right, just slipped in by the end, and Ina as well. All right. We're going to count down from... London is open, so we have 70 people. I'm going to close the entries in... Paul is here. All right, Paul is just slipped into the end. Let's go, Paul. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing down the entries. 70. Oh no, Bryce. Bryce. Once more for Bryce. Bryce, let's go. Oh, you received it. Okay. Bryce is here. We have Bryce. I don't know. He's here somewhere. There you go. Bryce, you're done. Okay, closing down. 72 people. Let's go. 72 people. And you know me. Let's make it the least stressful as it can be. All right? All right. Let's gonna count down. All right, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the winner is... Coma is the winner. Congratulations. $50 cash giveaway goes to Coma. Rigged, I know. Coma, congratulations. Make yourself known to the chat or something. If Coma is not answering in in 10 or 15 minutes, we're gonna do one more pick. You know how it is. So Coma, well, congratulations. We're gonna wait for Coma to make himself known. So let's go back to the chart. Congratulations. Coma or Camille? Almost the same. Coma is not answering. Coma maybe in coma. Maybe he's in coma. If Coma is not gonna answer in 10 or 15 minutes, then I might have to. We're gonna pick another winner. I'm sorry, guys. This is how it is. Yeah, I'm gonna give him quite a few minutes. So, Coma, if you're here, we're gonna wait like 10 minutes. The Trader Guy. What a name. I like that. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the chat. Good to see you. Coma still didn't answer. He's silent. All right. Handed it to me. Coma is here. All right. Coma, you won the giveaway. All right. Everybody was hoping that you're not going to answer, and we're going to pick a new winner. Coma, all right. I'm super happy you're here. Please send me an email to here. Please make a screenshot if you can from your YouTube, or you can do it from the chat. Just let me see that. I mean, your name on the chat or on your personal YouTube channel, whatever suits you. And please, if you have a PayPal account, it would be awesome. So I can send it to you in PayPal. If not, then I can do bank wire and debit card transfer. Or if you have Venmo or Zelle, let me know if that's the only option, because we're gonna figure it out. Just send me an email. Congratulations again. All right. So we have the winner. We have the winner. Okay. Price just went down a little bit. Donovan, what did you do? Did you short? I hope you did. I hope you did. All right. All right, all right. Let's see what's going on. It seems like we, well, went down something like 40 points right after the open. Right after the open. Dark Cloud, hey, you missed the giveaway, man. Where have you been? It was rigged. I set up everything so you could win, and you just arrived. Isham, hey there. Does MyFundedFutures have the DCA rule? If you do DCA with them, then are you not? Okay, so good question, Isham. They told that you can DCA. You can add as many times as you want to a losing position. But they also told that DCA, if DCAing is your sole strategy, and if this is the only thing that they see, because if you request a payout, obviously they also go over your funded account to see any kind of weird things happening. And if they see that you're only using DCAing to make money, they have the right to deny you. Now, it did not happen. I mean, for especially DCAing, I don't know anyone. I know someone who got an email from MyFundedFutures, and he was warned that he got paid out, but he was warned that, hey, man, you are DCAing a lot. Please, keep it lower. But he got paid out from MyFundedFutures. And there was a Discord stream, not now, it was 2 months ago or something, when Sage said something like, they're not going to be super hard on those people who are DCAing, but if there's a lot of DCAing, they're going to send an email that, hey man, this is a warning, please do not do it, stuff like that, blah blah blah. So you're allowed if that's not your sole strategy. Obviously, if you have a few DCA trades in the month here and there, it's okay as long as they see a steady equity curve, a steady growth on the account, and that you're managing your positions. They're going to pay you out. They said it clear that they're going to pay you out. It's mostly for the people who are abusing the system. That's what they said. I mean, by abusing the system, they mean that they have some algorithms for trading, like DCAing or something like that. But a bit of a gray area. But basically, if you don't go overboard with DCAing, you're going to be fine. That's it. Just to summarize what they were talking about in the Discord stream, it was like 2 months ago, just when Apex came out with the DCAing stuff. So they clarified this. But I know someone who got a warning. Believe it or not, it's up to you. Who got a warning and he got paid out, and he was DCAing, and they warned him, okay, you get the money, but please do not DCA this much because you're obviously DCAing a lot. Nasversity, good morning. Everybody's doing great. Lost my funded, had to take a break. Oh, Dark Cloud, that's a good thing you did. That's a good thing you did, but I'm sorry you lost it. But hey, just moving on, just moving on. Moving on. Request my first ever payout to TopStepX today after reaching 5 winning days. Hey, Nasversity, congratulations, man. Your first ever payout with TopStep. You deserve a huge applause, man. Congratulations. But if you make money, they make money. It depends, because this is a simulated funded account. It's not real money, it's demo money, right? So they don't really make money if you're on the simulated funded account. Good morning, Tommy Me. You're welcome. DCA rule is actually good. Yeah, I mean, it depends on where you look at it, My neighbor is cutting the grass again. What day is it? Friday. Okay, this is gonna be, I think maybe he's behind schedule. I think he's behind schedule. This is the second time in this week he's cutting the grass. He just started off the lawnmower. If he gets closer to the window, I will open it and you guys will hear it. Second time this week. If you make money, they lose money. Yeah, on the simulated funded accounts, if you make money, they lose money. I'm $150 away from payout. Let's go, Secrets of the Unknown. My first ever Apex payout request is still pending. Since this is the 9th day, but I'm not, you know, I'm not hoping for any answer until next week. So it's the 9th day. I sent it on the 1st of August, so it's still pending. Yeah, good luck. Futures Fanatic, hey there, you're a god. Good morning, what's up, what's up? So, good luck, my first not trading Apex funded account. Wish me luck. Let's go, best DJ in town. Mine is also still pending. Yeah, so I'm gonna check it. Last night I checked it. Hold on, let me check it again. Let me check it again. Where is it? It's still pending. It's still pending. So this is my first ever payout from Apex. It's still pending. $2,000 from August 1st. It's still active, pending, 22 trading days. What can I do? Still pending. Yeah, Futures Fanatic is saying that Apex is pretty much shitting on everybody with the payouts because they're very slow. Well, usually everybody gets approved or denied by the next payout cycle. So I would expect my answer. So we have like the next payout cycle is going to be starting next Thursday. So I'm not expecting any answer until 14th or 15th. So next Wednesday or Thursday, I'm not expecting any answer from them. So yeah, no answer from them. But usually, you know, the decision is being made until then. Yeah, that's 15 days. That's 15 days exactly. That's 15 days. I know it's frustrating, but many people are also there are some denials, and there are also many people who got paid. I mean, in this chat in the past few days, I didn't really see anyone saying that he or she didn't get paid. We have quite a few people got paid actually in the past weeks with Apex. We also have people who got paid who were DCAing. At least that's what they told, that they were DCAing. Yours denied because it's balloon. Okay, shouldn't have traded. Yeah. Who did paid you till now? Topstep and Bulenox. Most of my payouts are from Topstep. It's not too much. I made like $4,700 to $4,700 from Topstep trading payout. And no, sorry, there was a $500 from MyFundedFutures before the new rules, before the new starter accounts. It was way back. And so yeah, and Bulenox. From Apex, so far I did not manage to do it, but I'm only getting payouts since so I started futures in last year October, so I know it's getting almost 1 year, 10 months now, 10 months since I started trading futures. Before that I was trading forex prop firms, so but I did blew quite a few accounts while I got the hang of it. So yeah, Apex waits for us to blow the... Yeah, that's a strategy, not just for Apex, but you know. Did you see another bar video for July Apex payouts? Yeah, Apex paid out a lot of people. A lot of people. Good morning, Dominic. I see futures fanatic. Yeah. Yeah, to get a payout, you need to be... So getting a payout, I mean, getting to make... how should I say this? Maverick and the boys are flying again with Top Gun. Fighter jets. So getting a funded account is the easier part. Getting to payout is a totally different ball game, guys. It's an absolutely different ball game. Getting to a payout is totally different. It's absolutely a different thing. So I don't think he lost his accounts. I think he's just trading one, I think. I didn't check on him lately, but last time he said he's going to stick with one, so he's going to trade it one by one or something like that. I don't know. I haven't checked on him. Alpine lost most of his. I'm almost 100% sure, Amit, that Alpine is just gonna YOLO another 20 accounts and he gets it back by the next day. Or he's already have it back. It's just not activated. So, but I saw that it was not now. I think Alpine lost his accounts a few weeks ago, right? He has another. He always has a bunch of other accounts, just like Patrick Wieland or the others. The way they do this, it is a business, guys. Understand, especially with Apex, that you can have 20 accounts. And you're playing the prop firm game. What you do is you invest a certain amount of money to pass these accounts in one day. And of course, they might blow a few evaluation accounts, quite a few. But they're always going to have new evaluation accounts in the background, already passed, stacked up, you know. And that's what I would do. If and maybe I will do it, you know, in the future, to rotate 20 funded accounts all around with Apex. Methodical Man told that he made 15,000 affiliate. Oh, whoa, nice. Nice. Yeah, he's killing it. He is killing it. Lamine, hey, welcome. Ashebs, you're in long. Let's see how it goes. Okay. $3,200 to pay activation for 20 50k accounts. Yes. Or you can choose the monthly fee, I think. Depends on your strategy. Are you aggressively trading those accounts, or do you want to keep them for a lifetime, I guess? But consider that this is a business. I did not make 6k, I can tell you that. So I don't want to share the exact number, and it's not because of it's not because of anybody. It's not against anybody. In my country, and I'm saying it, everybody is watching. Everybody is watching. Everybody. But I didn't make 6k. So Methodical Man has a very good following. I can tell you that I made more than 3K. I made more than 3K. So with affiliate commissions, I can tell you that. But in my country, everybody is watching, not just the tax man. Everybody. So I live in a rental. I can tell you guys that if you guys are curious. I live in a rental. I pay a loan. I have a mortgage. I pay the rent. My rent is monthly average about $700 to $800. I don't know exactly the conversion now. $700 or $800 per month. I pay taxes because I have a small company formation. So from the affiliate money, I pay around 25% tax for my small company because you have to pay the tax. There is no way around it, guys. So if I calculate $3,000 affiliate commission, which and I made more, $3,000, I pay about $700 tax. I paid the rental fee, which is another $700. I pay the power bills, which are again like $200. I have a mortgage to pay, which is more than $200. I have to buy food. I have to buy gas for the car. I have some family obligations that I need to pay. And it goes away quickly, I know. That's why I had a side job working for an insurance company until April, where I was hustling on the sideline. And since April this year, by the help of everybody who helps out the stream, I was able to switch absolutely full-time here because of the affiliate commissions. But without the affiliate commissions, guys, I could not be doing this. I could not be here. Yeah, the cost of living is exponentially. Here in Hungary, in my country, the cost of living is rising exponentially. So with that being said, because everybody is watching here, the tax man, I am living in a dictatorship, and not to talk about other stuff that I don't want to mention because it's YouTube. I did not make 6K, but I did more than $3,000 with affiliate commissions, and I'm very, very, very grateful for that. Methodical Man has an awesome following, so obviously it differs to everybody. Every streamer makes a different amount, you know, and he streams mostly in New York, so obviously there's a lot more people in New York, but I am super, super happy and very, 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 very grateful for the help of you guys for using my codes, and that's it. I'm from Hungary. I'm from Hungary, Europe. I'm not watching the Olympics. I'm just reading the news because there are some Hungarians in the Olympics. So we did some medals. I'm not as transparent with my exact income number as Methodical Man. I'm not that transparent. I just gave you a ballpark number. I made more than 3K, but I made less than 6K. And that's it for now. Maybe I'm gonna be more transparent, but guys, all I can tell you is everybody is watching here in my country, and I do have some obligations I want to fill, and that's all I can share. But without you guys, I could not have made it. I could not be here full time. I could not be here. So obviously, the affiliate money, from YouTube, I can tell you from YouTube ad, the monetization of YouTube, and I have like 2,900 subscribers almost. I make $150 per month, $150 from the ad revenue. So you can guess that I make majority of this from the affiliate commissions. Again, from the help of you guys. So you guys are the ones who making it possible, and I'm forever grateful for that. Obviously, the goal is to make enough payouts from trading that this will change. So for now, if I get approved with Apex, that would be awesome. And if I can rotate this, I can do this process. I can repeat that. If I could be making more than $3,000 or $5,000 from trading payouts in the next month on average, That would be an awesome goal for me. That would be an awesome goal. And all I can tell you guys is that, so tell me honestly, do you guys think that from a couple of 50K funded accounts, is it possible to make an average $3,000 to $5,000 per month? Oh, not from affiliate, from trading payouts. Because that would be a great goal for me, to make on average more than $3,000 to $5,000 from trading payouts from a couple of 50K accounts. Because guys, this is one of my goals this year, to have a month that I can make, let's just say, above $4,000 to $5,000 finally in a month from trading payouts. Then this whole thing would be changing. You know, that would be great. Oh, we went with the marathon. Nice. Oh, awesome. Come to Romania, man. Here nobody knows anything about anything. I was actually thinking of that. Honestly, I was actually thinking about Transylvania. Not really, not even joking. Thank you, Khaled. How much you make is your only business. Yeah, but I know there are just a few streamers like Methodical Man. He's absolutely transparent, and $15,000 from affiliate is enormous, and it's a great money, guys. It's life-changing money from affiliates. I don't make that kind of money, but I'm still super happy. So I'm very grateful. You don't have to be on nobody's business. Yeah. Nowadays toxic like aren't transparent. Yeah, nobody should care what you make if they don't. I can tell you guys that I have a small company formation in Hungary. It's a small company, and with the company, if I would be getting the affiliate commissions as a private person, I would have to pay almost 40% tax. Imagine that. If I make $1,000 in affiliate commissions as a private person, I have to pay 40 or 41% tax. So every $1,000, I have to pay at least $400 in tax as a private person. So I had to form a small company, and this way I can pay tax. I can write, for example, the activation fees. I can write down as cost. You know, and by the way, I said to you guys I make more than 3K, but not 6K. I do still have to pay activation fees. I do some giveaways. Well, not today and yesterday because it's from Reza, but I do some giveaways. I have expenses like activation fees, evaluation fees. I have some online fees as well to cover. So everything adding together, I do have to pay tax. So that's about another 20-25%. And but the activation fees I can write down as a cost of business, which is a good thing. Because whenever I pay anything with these prop firms, I get the bill and I can write it down as cost of business, which is a great thing. I think it's a good thing. Yeah, I agree. Too toxic like that. Yeah, yeah. Some people are, but you know, I'm happy that we have very, very good people here. Crypto Panda, good morning. 2000, yeah. Methodical Man got an email yesterday from the bank. FTT sent him nice in 10 days. Yeah, I know he got the payout from Fast Track Trading. From the bank, FTT sent him in. I mean, did he get an email from the bank asking about the payment of 7,500? Do they pay you for resets? No, I don't get paid for the resets. Maybe Top Step, but I don't see Top Step if my and I'm not going to get commission from Top Step after this month because they're kicking out everybody from the affiliate program. So Top Step affiliate program is closing. So this is my last few days. If you would like to give some credit to the channel, if you have Top Step accounts, if you purchase a new Top Step account, or if you, I don't know, it's not confirmed, if you do a reset, if you click on my link, it might give some credit to the channel. This is my last few days as a Top Step affiliate because they're kicking out everybody on the 23rd. Make sure you write up the... Oh, yeah, the coffee. The cost of business is coffee as well. Yeah. It's coffee. Coffee is definitely cost of business. Yeah, Trader Monk is asking if it's better as a company. Igen, jobb cégként. So it's better. I mean, with this amount, my accountant said it's better to form a small company and do it as a small company because I can write down some costs and I can pay less tax as a business. So that's what I'm doing since this March. Since this March. Sent him an email saying that dollar is on its way. All right. Okay. All right. So now we're on the 1 minute, guys. This is absolutely untradeable. Tell me if it's not, but right now I'm just waiting for displacement. I know we're talking about everything else, but I think you're famous in Hungary. Everyone we know your business. It's a small population. We have less than 10 million people. So it's a small country. I'm gonna be a celebrity. I'm already a celebrity. What you guys want? I'm a celebrity here. By the way, and I'm saying this to my fellow Hungarian traders who are not too far from me. I know some of you guys are in Transylvania. Some of you guys might be in Hungary. So you guys are technically closer to me. That would be super awesome if we would all gather around and you know, just have a lunch or a dinner somewhere in a nice place, you know, build up some good community. That would be super great. That would be really something. Just saying. Okay, there you go. We have someone from Budapest. We have people from Transylvania. But you know, find a place somewhere in the middle, and have an awesome weekend, or have a good lunch somewhere, or a dinner party, whatever. That would be great. Your affiliate code with TopStep, give it discount. I don't have an affiliate code. Nobody has with TopStep. The only thing I have is my link, which is up there in the chat or down in the description. That's the only thing I have, and everybody just has their own affiliate link. So if you purchase anything from TopStep until the 23rd of August, that is still giving some extra credit or commission to the stream. And I know this hot actress. That's true. I know this super hot actress who I had a crush on. Hello, Bob. How you doing? So, yeah, tiny population. So I'm a celebrity. Yeah. All right. What is happening? Look at this sideways movement. Nothing is going on. Let me know if you guys have any idea what to do with this. I'm just waiting for some kind of a direction here. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Let's see what is going on. I'm looking some lower time frames too, but I just can't figure out where this is going. Yeah. Lived in Bucharest. 96, 99. Loved it there. I would love to come visit. Nice. With a brand new account. Let's go, Bob. Tom, is take profit 50% off, and how much is the activation fee? Yeah, it's still 50% off if you use my code wink. It's 50% off, and the activation fee is $130. But from your first payout, they're gonna wire you your first initial evaluation account fee. So you're gonna get back your evaluation account fee on your first payout. That's the deal right now with Take Profit Trader. Tom, how did you install Fluid Trades Indicator? It's super simple. You just go to actually, hold on, Fluid Trades SMC Lite. Let me get this away. So you go to indicators. I'm just gonna put, so you type in Fluid Trades SMC Lite and you just click on it, and that's it. It's on. That's it. That's how you install. To close above the 550 could be bullish. Yeah, look at that. The indicator tells me that there is a supply, sorry, not demand, supply zone up there. Actually, I like this indicator. I think it's quite interesting because it's more than likely these are the zones that I'm watching as well. So I do like this indicator. It's looking quite all right. I like it. Yeah. Is name of top stack Andreas is name of top Apex earner from Hungary. Oh, top Apex earner is from Hungary. I don't know him, Marco. I don't know him. Morning, Hansen. How you doing, Hansen? Good to see you. Good to see you again. And by the way, guys, I know I didn't say this this morning, so this is the first time. Please push the like button on the stream, which we have more than 100 viewers. I'm super happy for you guys. Please push the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That helps out the channel. Bigger exposure. We're getting closer to 3K subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. So it's free to do, so smash that like button. Thank you, guys. I think it's a good way to have multiple funded accounts and have like 500 target. Oh, absolutely. So if you can make like a $500 or $1,000 on one single account, you know, that's super easy to aim for. You can even copy trade 2 or 3 accounts and just aim for that $500, $1,000 and rotate. You're always going to get payouts. And this is something I'm looking for, to maintain that payout threshold. So stay above the safety threshold, maintain everything. So that would be great. That would be great. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Fluid Trades indicator is great, yeah. Your indicator session looks like TradingView platform. Oh yeah, this is TradingView right now. But I'm just gonna disable this right now. That's TradingView, and this is Quant Tower. The same color theme, I choose it intentionally, but this is Quant Tower, and now you see Quant Tower, and now you see TradingView. TradingView is very user friendly, so I check everybody with the wick at 18. Yeah, Yeah. Yeah, this could have been a trick here. It's called Fluid Trades SMC Lite. It's basically good for supply and demand zones. It's very good. But my favorite indicator currently, is this Lux Algo fair value gap. I'm sorry if I pronounced it badly. This puts automatic fair value gaps everywhere. I do like it. I mean, look at this. It's great. I think it's a great indicator. Every time frame, it's free. Lux Algo fair value gap. It saves me a lot of energy to draw these gaps. And every time frame, it draws the gaps. Look at this. I mean, some of them are disappearing, but it's still a great indicator. I like it. There's a fair value gap right there. As a friend told me, the life is hard and this is a life. Yeah. The pressure is high with several accounts. Yes, but you don't have to trade them all at once. You can just, go one by one. Or if, for example, my strategy for the next upcoming few months, or for this year, I can say, is that always have 10 funded accounts. Now I have 3, 4, 6, 8. I have 8 funded accounts now. I could have more, but it's not activated with Bulenox because I have 3 more accounts in dormant. So it's to have 10 funded accounts and copy trade 2 funded accounts, maximum 3, but 2 funded accounts at a time. Copy trade, put it to payout threshold, move to the next one, payout threshold, and so on and so on. And so just jump in between those accounts with micros and always only make just enough to make it to the payout threshold. And of course, leave some safety threshold as well on the account. So for example, on Bulenox, it's $3,600, which means whenever I reach $3,600, I take out 1,000 and I just move on to build 1,000 once more. That is the goal. And with micros, it's not so stressful. Of course, I blew an account like that. So anyway, yeah, but that's a strategy. That's a strategy. Practice makes the master, as they say. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That is what I'm looking for. By the way, Reza Banks, if you're still here, let me know. Isham, I have your email, but I don't have his email. So Reza, if you're here, can you send me an email so I can forward it to Isham? Maybe he was having some questions. So about Dubai stuff. If you're still here, let me know, and I'm gonna type in my email so you can send yours. It's Trading Star. He's here, the man of the hour. Oh, you're welcome. No problem, Isham. I don't know if Reza is still here. If he's here, Reza, if you're here, let yourself know. Apex code is simple. When you go to the purchase page, it says, just type in your coupon and you type in tomsabo. Tomsabo code works everywhere. Everywhere. Just tomsabo, and it's giving you the best available discount. So yeah, when you select your account type, there is a field. You will type it there. And you have to go with the check marks and everything. There's a field for the coupon code. Type in tomsabo and it gives you the best available discount. How you doing, Trading Star? Good to have you. I'm in a country where 1,000 USD is a lot of money. Bro, here as well. Guys, I'm just saying, here in my country, people are working for $800, maybe $900 a month. That's what they take home from their jobs for a month. $900. If you make over $1,000 here in my country, you're considered in a good position. I'm not joking, guys. Hungary is officially the poorest country in the European Union. We are the poorest country. It's official stats. It's on the internet. Every single country has more expenditure by the people, which is the poor index officially. I mean, unofficially, that's what they say. Hungary is on the bottom of the list. We are the poorest country in the European Union. If you make more than $1,000 here, then you are considered to be in a good position. Many people. My hometown, I did not. I was living in a different town when I was younger. My hometown, it's a small town. When you make $600, you're good. That's how much people are making in my hometown. It's a very small town, and they make 600, maybe 7. If you make $600 to $700 in that small town when there's no infrastructure there, nothing to work, no jobs, you make $600 to $700, you should be thinking that, oh my God, I have a job. That's how poor this country is. So trust me, guys. And I'm living in a bigger city. I'm paying for a nice rent here, obviously. I'm very grateful, but I'm in a very good position for the other people. I mean, I'm very grateful that I can do what I like being here. I'm very great. I always give gratitude to God, because this is very a blessing that I can do this every day. Many people are working 12-hour shifts and they're making $800 in my country. So it's hard. It's hard. Activation fee with Apex for a monthly. If you choose monthly activation, that's $85. If you choose lifetime, obviously it's more. You can choose between monthly or lifetime activation fee. My goal is 5,000 USD per month. Start trading Forex. Oh yeah, so you see that, holy grail. I think a personal 5K minimum should be doing to take payout, 1K to keep buffer. Yeah, that's also a good goal on Bulenox. Average salary in my country is $250. Oh my God, holy grail. Is there a minimum wage? Yes, the minimum wage, the net minimum wage is that you take home is $600, $550, something like that. $550 ish, 600 ish. Just past 150 take profit traders. Sam, I need to give you an applause. Oh yeah, Bob. I always thank to God. Congratulations, Sam. I always thank to God. And it's a true blessing that I can do this. I'm here every day. I do what I love. And even though I'm not yet a constantly profitable trader, I made a few payouts, yes, but the goal is to, guys, the regular, to make those payouts on a regular basis. But to be honest, let's say the life is cheaper, food is cheap. Yeah, to be completely honest, not exactly. For example, the price of milk and bread and meat here is the same as next to us in Austria. So if I go to Austria and go into the store, I buy milk, meat, and bread for the same price that is here in the store here, in the shops here. And the salary is like 2 different dimensions. in Austria and here in Hungary. So the food price is basically the same. I don't even know what is considered cheap. I mean, comparing to other European Union countries. But medical is free, but you have to pay insurance, which is mandatory. You have to pay insurance to the country, to the government, on a monthly basis. Even if you're not working anywhere, when you don't have a job, you must pay insurance to the country. There is no way around it. If you don't pay insurance, the tax man is gonna find you, and they're gonna be fining you to death. So you have to pay insurance, health insurance. There's no other way around it. California, 500 a day to survive. Yeah, look at that. Matt Scalper. With $500, I know people personally from my hometown who make that money in a month. And they have to survive for a month from that money. So many different dimensions here, guys. It's like interesting how the world is working. Yeah, Austria is amazing salaries. Yes. Many go to work. Ski season in Austria. See them hotels, yes. So Austria is right our next neighbor. And the food price is the same in Austria than here in Hungary. But they make about 10 times more salary, or at least 8 times more than here in Hungary. So anyway, interesting statistics, you know, interesting. Hey, online safety, how's it going? I'm in a dark loop still, Tom. It is more than 1 week. Blew a funded account yesterday by just playing and not by trading. Trading Star. I'm saying with experience this. I was in the same position, not once, not twice, many times. What I think you should do is just don't touch the funded accounts. When this happened to me, even though I left with funded accounts, just don't touch. Dedicate the next week to only trade on new evaluation accounts. Maybe I know it's. I mean, don't consider it as a waste of time. I think you need to gain confidence. That's your first goal right now. Your goal is not to make profit right now, Trading Star. Forget that, at least for a week. Put away the funded account. Your goal right now is to gain confidence. That's what you need to do. Trust me, I think it's going to do you better. Trade on evaluation accounts. Don't demo trade. Put a little bit of a skin in the game. Trade evaluation accounts. Whichever prop firm you like. It doesn't matter. And gain some confidence. That should be your goal for the next week. I know it's different than a funded account, but still, and only trade your setups. It doesn't matter if you pass the account next week or don't. Who cares? Just trade your setups. Forget about the money. Totally forget about the money next week. And you're going to feel better. Don't touch your funded account next week. That's what I would do. And don't do anything today. It's Friday. All right? Maybe trade evaluations, but that's what I would do. Hey, online safety. Oh my God, I'm in a country is more easy. A hospital is free and you don't have money. I'm in price, so I have to have medicines for free. Oh, it's not free here. If I go to the hospital and if you don't have health insurance. So I was in the hospital last year and there was a guy on the other bed who got caught by a knife by accident. Who knows? and he didn't have coverage, insurance coverage. And they told him that we're sorry, but you're going to get billed for $2,000 for the surgery because you didn't have health insurance coverage. That's how it works. And they're going to send him the bill from, I'm talking in dollars, but in Hungarian forints, of course. but they're gonna send him the bill from $2,000 for the surgery because he didn't have health insurance coverage. So Bulgaria, oh yeah, 500 a day is only 300 after taxes and mortgage. Oh, you did the math. Yeah, Sam, very good job there, Sam. I nearly blew my funded account. The difference is only 200. Oh, Congo. Maybe it would be best to, again, not to touch that funded account. Congo, just, reevaluate and maybe do with micros next week. With micros, you might be able to slowly build it up again because it's no use to force it. No NFP today. Yeah, nothing special. Cost of average. Oh, I see. I was thinking about the same. Yeah, exactly, Trading Star. Nothing is ever free. Minimum wage. I don't know. I'm probably $20 an hour. 160 a day. Oh, whoa. This is a nice little scalping range. Yeah, it is. I just don't see. I'm just scared to jump in. It's a little bit more bullish, I think. It had this small fair value gap here, which the indicator showed right here. And look at that. Now it's going. I think if it goes, it should be breaking higher than the midnight level. 20K in US. Wow. Here, hospital do nothing with health insurance. Well, here they do. If you don't have, they're going to take care of you, obviously, but they're gonna send you the bill. That's how it works. If you don't have insurance. Hey, Bubbo, Tom, have you tried trading personal account? Yes, I did. I blew it. I blew it the same way I did it with the funded accounts. Last time I traded on a personal account is what was with almost $3,000, and I blew it in 2 weeks. And that was the last time for a while. I said I just can't do it. I'm not ready there. I'm not ready to do it mentally. It's still an emotional struggle, but I'm getting better. I know that. So for now, I'm gonna stick with these prop firms. Lets you set your own limits so system shuts down. Oh yeah, I heard about that, Paul. That's a good idea. Yesterday in demo account using the ICT method, I put 1 mini and I made. Whoa, that was nice, Bob. That's a nice one. The problem here is the lack of volume, guys. If I go to the 5 minute and check it out. Too many wicks. Too many wicks. And this gap is might not be able to hold. So gonna have to be careful, guys. Have to be real careful here. We still have time from the kill zone. Dun, dun, dun. Anyway, I was just watching the chart. Everything is pretty quiet for now. So hope that we will have a move in. Yeah, we have the equities kicking in 20 seconds. So watch it, guys. This is gonna be quite interesting to watch. volatility is going to kicking in the door in 10 seconds. Watch this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here comes the volatility. Oh, now here it is. All right. Here comes the volatility. It kicked in the door. Smashed in the door. All right. My email. Hold on a second. I type it out there. Just a second. Just a second. My email is... there. If you count the millions of lazy people on welfare, yes. Oh, look at that. We have that kick now. Might gonna go for Asia highs here, guys. It might gonna go for it. Let me delete this. You're welcome. If I see a retracement, I might just jump in. Who knows? So how about I put one here, maybe with 1 micro. I can do that. I could do that with 1 micro. Price would be 65. All right, I have a buy limit at 63.25. 63.25. If it goes down, still not there. Still didn't take my trade. This is my trade. I mean, limit order. Still didn't go with it. Come on, just one more spike. Oh, it didn't. My limit order has not been triggered. All right. I think it should go to Asia high from here. Maybe I should have taken it. I'll let you guys know if I get tagged in. Yeah, so I just don't know. There are also a lot of lazy people here as well, and they are not paying health insurance, and it's mandatory. So I don't know how they're gonna get handled. So they do need to go to the hospital at some time. Unfortunately, people might be having some problems throughout their lives. And there are many people who don't have this coverage. So, anyway. Still not tagged in. Maybe I should have just entered the market order. It's gonna go to Asia high, I feel like. I feel like it wants to go. So anyway. Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna get tagged in. Hey, Brownie. I'm Brownie. What's up? Funded futures. What is 50K like in cost? What do you get with it? So with my funded futures, it's $76 as it's stated up there. 76 if you use a code, and no activation fee. So you have end of day trading drawdown. End of day trading drawdown. You have a daily loss limit of $1,200. Overall loss limit is $2,500. So $1,200 daily loss. End of day trading drawdown. Payout policy on the new starter is super simple. Make $100 a day. That's a winning day. After 5 winning days, you can get a payout. But if you ask for a payout, it's like a top step. Your balance is gonna be, your initial balance is gonna be moved to 50,100. I just don't know what's the minimum threshold to leave on the account. I think it's 500 or 600. I'm not sure. I have to go with the details, but that's how they changed the payout policy. So Top Step does the $200 days. MyFunded Futures has the $100 day as a winning day. But no other cost, no activation fee with the starter, and with the expert as well. So no activation fee in the starters or in the expert. It's baked into the price basically. So $76 per month, and when you pass the account, obviously it's gonna get activated to a funded account, and that's it. That is it. That is it. How many contracts? There's a scaling plan on the starter, and there's no scaling plan on the expert. On the starter, you get 3 minis or 30 micros, but there's a scaling plan on the funded account, which means on the evaluation account, you can go full port if you want to, but on the funded account, you trade 1 mini or 10 micros until you reach $1,000. Above $1,000, you get 2 mini or 20 micros, and I think above 2,000 is 3 minis and 30 micros, something like that. With the expert account, there is no scaling rule. You can go instantly full port if you want to with 5 minis. So how much is the funded? Yeah, so how much is the funded scale? That's the scaling plan. On the funded account, you start on the starter with 1 mini or 10 micros. So above 1,000, the system is automatically going to let you to open position with one more micro. So that's how it works. I think this one is just gonna skyrocket to above 600 any second, guys. I feel like this one is just gonna boom. This is what's gonna happen. Boom. Skyrocketing. So currently, whatever you see out there, because you have to think of activation fees as well, the cheapest account, including the activation fee, is the MyFundedFutures starter account. There's no cheaper account than the MyFundedFutures starter account. That's the cheapest one, especially with the activation code. I mean, with the discount code. So $76, it beats the whole market. I mean, cost wise. So that's the cheapest. I'm still not in this trade. What is going on? You know, when it goes sideways like this long, I start to hesitate, and I might just, you know, disable my or delete my pending order because I just don't like the way it looks like. If it would spike down, I might jump in. Activation fee in dollars. There is no activation fee with MyFundedFutures. There is no activation fee. You just pay the monthly fee on the evaluation account, and when you pass the account, you get the funded account, quote unquote, for free. You don't have to pay anything. You get the lifetime funded account. That's it. But on other prop firms, for example, at TopStep, it's $149. With Bulenox, it's $148. With Take Profit Trader, it's $130. With Apex, it's $140 lifetime. With Apex, you have a chance to choose monthly activation fee, which is $85. So, Maxi, hey there. I tried using your promo code for trade day, but it doesn't work? No way. Dude, what the hell? Let me check on it. Why is it not working? Let me check it. Just a second. Just a second. Links and banners. Coupons. Oh. There's no oh, thank you for letting me know. It seems like they deleted my coupon code. There is a coupon. They updated my coupon code without letting me know. But anyway, here is my. This is the one that I see on the back office right now for trade day. If you would like to get a trade day, this is for trade day. Sorry about that. Yeah. Interesting, because I had a custom code, but anyway. Interesting. 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 All right. No problem. Thank you for letting me know, and thank you for the support. I thought that my custom code was working, but obviously it's not. I'm gonna have to update that in the description as well. Trade day. Bulenox, MyFunded, TopStep, Take Profit Trader, trade day. Okay, updating my code. I don't know. And it goes higher. Told you. This is just going. I deleted my limit order. I deleted my limit order. Still not going. All right. Well, nothing is moving. Guys, I might have to make a quick phone call. Just give me a second. Just a quick moment. Let's see what happens here. It might just go down, reprice that level. All right, guys, just watching this price action. Just waiting. All right. What is going on? Nothing is moving, guys. Everything is turned off officially. There's just nothing. Nothing moves. It's getting a little bit annoying that nothing is moving here. Still have some time from the kill zone, but it's really not the thing that I was looking for. It's unplugged officially. NQ is officially unplugged. Naomi, hey, may move, or yeah, I don't know. This is like garbage right now. Unfortunately, it's nothing. Hey, Rob, I blew a 50k PA yesterday. Oh, but I guess the bright side is I'm only 3.5k from passing. Whoa, that's awesome. 3.5k. Let's go. Come on, Rob. Let's go. Yesterday it was okay for me. I did a small profit on one of my funded accounts. Nothing special. And this morning also nothing special. Just one trade. Actually 2 trades on evaluation. I'm not touching my funded accounts right now. But it seems like, you know, price action has pretty much done for the London session, guys. Really tempted to go short. I would not go anywhere with this until we don't see a clean move. Just don't touch it, you know. It would be, maybe it will go up as I originally anticipated, but jumping into even a long or a short, as you said, go for a short, you know, obviously it's not doing anything right now. There's no volume, nothing. Best to stay out. Anyways, guys, I think I am not willing to enter into any more trades. The kill zone is almost off, so I'll be focusing on the New York session for later. So guys, it was my pleasure to have you all, but I think I'm gonna skip the rest of this kill zone because I think it's pretty much done. Maybe it will go, who knows, but gonna be focusing on New York Open, and I'll be back later. So thank you so much for everything. Thanks for the likes and the subscriptions, everything. It was a great session. So I'll be back later, and if you would like to support the stream and the channel, please use the codes. Tomsabo works at every of these prop firms up there. Best discounts with the code and the links. So thank you so much. I'll be back in New York. All right. All right. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. See you guys later. All right. Cheers.